Corrosion. What is corrosion? It is a natural process that converts metal into a more stable form such as oxide, hydroxide or sulphide. It is a gradual destruction of metal by chemical reaction with their environment. Examples of corrosion. First one, rusting of iron. What is meant by rusting of iron? Iron reacts with the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of water vapor to form hydrated iron oxide. Formula Fe2O3xH2O. This is the brown coating formed on the surface of iron when it comes in contact with the atmospheric oxygen and water vapor. This brown coating is known as rust. What is rust? Hydrated iron oxide is known as rust. What is the chemical name of rust? Chemical name of rust, hydrated iron oxide. What is the brown colored substance formed on the surface of iron? What is the brown colored substance formed on the surface of iron? Hydrated iron oxide. How is it formed? Iron reacts with the atmospheric oxygen and water vapor to form hydrated iron oxide. This hydrated iron oxide is known as rust. Okay. Second example. A black color coating formed on the surface of silver. This is formed by reaction of silver with the sulfur to form silver sulphide. This is the black colored coating on the surface of silver. Next, green coating formed on the surface of copper. This green colored coating is basic copper carbonate. It is formed by the reaction of copper with the atmospheric oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor to form a green coating, that is basic copper carbonate. This is the green colored coating on the surface of copper. These are examples for corrosion. First example, rusting of iron. Rusting means iron reacts with the atmospheric oxygen to form hydrated iron oxide. Next, black colored coating on the surface of silver. Sulfur reacts with the silver to form silver sulphide. Next, green coating on the surface of copper. Rancidity. What is rancidity? It refers to the spoilage of food. When oils or fats containing food items left for a long period of time, these food items comes in contact with atmospheric oxygen. In this way, the food gets oxidized to change its smell and taste. This process is known as rancidity. Rancidity means when oils or fats containing food gets oxidized to change their smell and taste. This process is known as rancidity. I repeat once again. Rancidity. When oils or fats containing food get oxidized to change their smell and taste, this process is known as rancidity. Next, how can we prevent rancidity? First point, keeping food item in airtight containers. Then, using antioxidants. Antioxidants means the substance which prevent oxidation. Example, nitrogen. Antioxidant means substance which prevent oxidation. Next, refrigeration. Refrigeration means kept food items at a low temperature. In this way, we can prevent rancidity. How can we prevent rancidity? First, keeping food items in airtight containers using antioxidant and refrigeration. Okay? Now I ask a question for you. Potato chips manufacturers fill the packet of chips with nitrogen gas. Why? Because nitrogen is an antioxidant, so it prevents rancidity. Okay? Then